Welcome back to the Eclipse with Dark Squad Entertainment. Today we will be going over how to write a focused song that stays on topic. Now I know I often hear songs where the hook's talking about one thing, the lyrics are talking about another, and it's kind of all over the place. And at the end of the song, I'm kind of scratching my head, asking myself, well, what is this song about? So, just going to give a few tips of how, when writing a song, makes it a lot easier for people to follow what the song is about and how to stay on topic. Now, subtopics, not a problem at all. You just got to make sure that somehow it comes back around to the hook and links everything together. Here's an idea of how you could stay on topic focused.
What is your topic?
This topic would be just like a partying at the club song.
Okay.
It's related to the same stuff that we just went over, just giving an example.
Okay.
But you can do this with a variety of different topics. So for this one, we just partying at the club. It's just a club night.
All right.
So, let me see. All right, so let's say these were the lyrics I was writing. This would be the first verse. No, I don't have 3 verses. I just got a short couple of bars just to give you an idea.
Okay.
So the verse could start with something like, it's Friday night and I'm up in the club, feeling better than ever. Just tip the bartender with dub, and I'm hoping to end the night with some dimes in a hot tub. I got bottles back at the crib. We can stop and get us some grub. I see ladies checking me out sitting down by the bar. If not all, my goal is to get at least one in my car. But the night is still young and the cups are up in the air, weighing all my options, playing it cool and not trying to stare. I approached the thickest one and said some things in the ear. I'm glowing because now the swag and the drips has kicked into gear. We're smiling back and forth while the music is playing, but it's so loud she's having trouble trying to hear what I'm saying. Every weekend, you know where to find me, popping bottles with my homies right behind me. Swagged out, all eyes on me and my friends, feeling tipsy, ain't no telling how the night's going to end. You know what I'm saying? It stayed on topic. It told a story. It painted a picture.
It did.
It was all related to the type of things that you would expect to go on if you're in a club.
Yes, and going back to the art of storytelling, another tutorial that you've done, I could see it.
Yeah.
I could visualize the night as you went along.
And then, like, you do the same thing for the hook. Like, the hook should always drive the main point home of what the song is about. You know what I'm saying? When it gets to that hook, the hook always sums it up. Just in case you weren't sure when listening to the verse, when it gets to the hook, that hook will give you the explanation. Like, okay, this is definitely about being in the club, finding some nice girl, taking her home, you know, spending the night with her. It ain't even got to necessarily be at home, but just enjoying her company for the night, whatever happens, whether y'all leave and go to IHOP afterwards,
right, yeah.
just go walk through the park and talk, or whatever way.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So an example of how the hook will tie into the lyrics.
And the hook again is a confirmation and kind of a summary of, yes, this is what this is about.
Yeah.
Okay.
So example of a kind of hook you could write that's also staying on topic and tying the lyrics together. The hook could be something like, feeling the vibe, you were clearly in the zone with me. From here on out, you'll be talking on the phone with me. I really love it if you spend some time alone with me. Just the 2 of us, why don't you come home with me? You know what I'm saying? Just some examples, some quick stuff I threw together just to give y'all some examples. Now, I write way better stuff than this, let's just be real. But I'm just throwing some examples out there just so y'all could get an idea of what I'm talking about. So, what I would like y'all to do, give me a stay on topic, focus related verse. And if you got a hook in you too, give me that. It's up to you. Use your own rhyming words. You can take the same rhyming words I used and flip them whatever way you want. Or I can give you a couple to get you started. Go whatever way you want to do it.
Now, are we all going to stay on topic of the club, or could it be whatever?
That's up to you. If you want to do your own version of the club, use my rhyming words. Or you could be on any topic you want. Just take the tips that I gave and see how it can help you. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you might be sitting there like, man, I don't know. Just figure it out. Think about things that relate to whatever the topic is that you're trying to make the song about.
Okay.
If it's a fight song, okay, what kind of things go on in a fight? There's punches, there's wrestling, there's body shots, there's pain. You know what I'm saying? Just think of things that relate to the topic and then find a way to write them out, make them rhyme, and paint the picture.
There could be rapping, a referee, a big show, lights. Okay, so as we always do with Rhymers Corner, we're going to challenge you all to write a verse, which if you remember and you've been watching Rhymers Corner, we know that there's a video, link in the description, about how to write your first verse for a song, a rap, or a poem. So everybody can do this. We're going to link it. It's 4 sentences that end with a rhyming word. That's a verse.
Easy.
So we're going to write.
That's 4 bars.
Yes. So we're going to, I'm sorry. It's not a verse. It's 4 bars.
4 sentences that end with a rhyming word.
4 bars.
That's 4 bars.
Okay. Okay. So we're going to review how to write your first
4 bars.
4 bars. Thank you. Poem. And then we also have another tutorial on how to write a chorus, how to write a hook.
Yeah.
So if you need help, we're going to link those 2 in there, and it's fun. This is for everybody from people like me who don't rhyme to grandma and your 10-year-old cousin. It's fun.
Yeah, it is. And I would love to see what y'all come up with as usual. I love reading the comments and just seeing how people put things together based on the tips I've given. I've seen some really good stuff.
Woo!
That really showed me like this stuff really is helpful.
Yeah.
And anybody can do it. You know what I'm saying? It's just a matter of using creativity.
Some of that stuff in the comment section is amazing. So we're going to do 2 things. We are going to put, you're going to see words on the screen, starter words that you can use, or you can go off on your own path and do your own focused verse.
Absolutely.
Okay, based on any words you come up with.
So I'm going to throw a couple words at y'all just to get you started. Do whatever you see fit. It's up to you. So it's easy if you already had the words. So everybody's not a writer. You know what I'm saying? So if you already got some words and just figure out how to piece them together and you come up with your topic, then it gives you a head start.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? All right. So I'm going to give you a couple words to get you started.
And they will also appear on the screen and they'll be in the comment section.
Correct. All right, so the first 4 words I'm going to give you are car, bar, far, and R.
Oh, I'm in here. I'm in here. I don't even know what I'm going to write yet, but I want to be at the club too.
Next set of words are dance, romance, enhance, and pants. Next 2, drinking and thinking. Next 4, lips, hips, tips, and sips. Next 2, floor, and more.
Okay.
And the last 4 would be night, light, all right, and tight.
All right. And so they can use some of these words, or they can use all or just mix and match.
Or whatever.
Okay. 1, none, all. Okay, it's up to you. 2, 4, 6. It's your world.
You can clearly use these in
I'm
stay
excited.
on topic. You can write something focused and be on topic using these in any way you want. These do not have to be used for a club song.
No, I'm excited.
I'm excited. In multiple ways. It's all depending on how you decide to use them.
Yes, indeed.
So there it is. Looking forward to seeing what y'all got for the comment section for me. Please come with your focused topic. What story are you trying to tell? What topic are you displaying to me?
All right.
So we out. This is Eclipse.
And this is Patrice, and this has been Rama's Corner, where we do music tutorials, tips for poets, writers, singers, and just people who generally just want to have a fun exercise to do at home with the entire family.
About. Interactivity, just coming and having fun. That's Indeed. What it's all about.
So for Dark Squad Entertainment, this has been Rama's Corner, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Again, in the comments, drop your verses, because with the tutorials in the description box, anybody can do it.
Any topic you choose. And I love seeing different people use the same words differently.
Woo!
Like,
yes.
I love looking through when everybody's using the same words. And it's like, this person went here with it, but this next person, they took it here. I love seeing how
this one was
they
funny,
get creative.
This one was serious,
yeah, exactly.
This one was internal.
Exactly.
Absolutely. All right, it's all love. I am Patrice.
And this is Eclipse.
And again, we are Dark Squad Entertainment. Good night.